16 foods you should eat during COVID-19 that will boost your immune system. With the spread of COVID-19, the entire world is battling together. The most ideal approach to battle this pandemic is to play it safe and in particular form solid invulnerability. Hey watchers, and welcome back to Bestie. Your invulnerable framework is a many-sided network that battles intruders like microscopic organisms and infections. You can fortify it to ward off sicknesses. Keep your body warriors fit and prepared by eating food sources that will give your resistant framework a lift. In the present video, we will reveal to you the best nourishments to support your safe framework and keep you insured during these coronavirus times. From tomatoes, green tea, clams, spinach to kiwi, and the sky is the limit from there. Watch till the finish to find out pretty much every one of them. Turmeric. This zest is something other than a flavorful kick to your next supper. It contains an amazing mitigating compound called curcumin. This equivalent compound is the thing that loans turmeric its unique dynamic orange-yellow tone. As per an examination, curcumin initiates the creation of T cells, which are the primary cells battling for your well-being in your resistant framework. Do you fuse turmeric into your eating routine? Do you add it to your serving of mixed greens, tea, drain, or favor some other way? Advise us down underneath in the remarks area. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an extraordinary food to eat when you're debilitated because of their high convergence of nutrient C. A medium tomato contains in excess of 16 milligrams of nutrient C, which is fuel to your body's safe framework. In an investigation, nutrient C was demonstrated to be an essential piece of the body's white blood cells. A significant part of the invulnerable framework. The scientists likewise noticed that insufficiency in this supplement can prompt a more vulnerable safe framework and lower protection from specific microorganisms that can prompt disease. Wild salmon. Wild salmon is loaded up with zinc, a supplement that has been demonstrated to diminish regular cold side effects. An investigation inspected the impacts of zinc on the regular cold in youngsters ages 1 to 10. Analysts found that zinc, in contrast with fake treatment, fundamentally diminished the seriousness and term of side effects when taken within 24 hours of the beginning of cold indications. Papaya. Papaya conveys over double your suggested everyday measure of nutrient C in one organic product. Despite the fact that you're probably going to eat a couple of cuts on a plate of mixed greens or in a smoothie, it additionally contains a protein considered papain that has mitigating impacts. Also, aggravation is one factor in diseases, so maintaining a strategic distance from it can help your body fend off bacterial contaminations like sinusitis. It additionally contains potassium, nutrient B, and folate, which is an incredible cell rebuilder. Individuals who are folate inadequate have undermined invulnerable frameworks. Folate or nutrient B9 is an extraordinary nutrient to keep your cells sound and solid. The suggestion is 400 micrograms every day, or get it from vegetables, spinach, papayas, and avocados. Green tea. Green tea isn't just one of our suggested best teas for weight reduction, but at the same time it's perhaps the best hotspot for reinforcing the resistant framework. It contains flavonoids, a cancer prevention agent that helps invulnerability. In addition to it has calming properties. As indicated by an investigation, the cell reinforcement catechin, which is vigorously predominant in green tea, is known to be an incredible antibacterial and antiviral. It has been appeared to execute off microbes and flu infection. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are extraordinary for boosting your resistance, as per an investigation. Exploration recommends that members who ate shiitake mushrooms each day for about a month had a huge expansion in numbers and strength of resistance-boosting T cells. They additionally saw a decrease in fiery actuating proteins, demonstrating that shiitake mushrooms likewise go about as a mitigating specialist. Shellfish. Oysters are a healthful force to be reckoned with from the ocean. 1 3-ounce serving of Pacific clams gives 190% of the everyday estimation of selenium, 45% of iron, and 20% of nutrient C in for only 140 calories. It additionally contains 16 grams of top-notch protein. The fish additionally gives zinc and nutrient A. Every one of these nutrients and minerals is basic for appropriate insusceptible capacity. Low-fat yogurt. Nutrition rules suggest grown-ups eat 3 servings of dairy items each day. Low-fat yogurt gives 11 grams of protein, 250 calories, and just about 400 milligrams of calcium for each 8-ounce serving. It can likewise help meet your everyday prerequisite for nutrient B12, nutrient D, and nutrient B2. Satisfactory degrees of nutrient D are vital for powerful safe capacity. Yogurt is wealthy in specific probiotics that support insusceptible capacity and may even assist in decrease both the length and seriousness of colds. Gainful gut vigor is required for legitimate assimilation, detoxification, and more grounded invulnerability. Probiotics can even assist in diminished dermatitis manifestations in children. Spinach. Spinach gets front and center attention as a superfood because of its high substance of folate, nutrient A, nutrient C, fiber, magnesium, and iron. The supplements in it help resistant capacity and furnish your body with important supplements for cell division and DNA fix. You can receive the greatest rewards from spinach by eating it crude or gently cooked to protect supplements. Yams. Sweet potatoes are top wellsprings of beta-carotene, a forerunner to nutrient A. This supplement helps your resistant framework by assisting with delivering white platelets, which ward off microscopic organisms and infections. It likewise helps structure the mucus films that line the respiratory plot, which goes about as a defensive hindrance to keep germs out of your body. A prepared yam packs more than 150% of the day-by-day nutrient and objective. You can finish off a heated yam with nuts or seeds for a solid bite. Garlic. Research loans validity to garlic's safe supporting abilities. In one examination, volunteers were arbitrarily allocated to get either a fake treatment or a garlic supplement day by day for 12 weeks all through the virus season. The garlic bunch experienced essentially fewer colds contrasted with the fake treatment gathering, and they recuperated quicker on the off chance that they got contaminated. Further examination has affirmed that matured garlic concentrate may improve insusceptible cell work. Reach for new garlic cloves instead of an enhancement. Add it to cooked veggies, soup, or stock. The advantage are not simply resistance. There are many different reasons why it's useful for your body and why you should make it a piece of your day-by-day diet. To understand what they are, watch this video named Eat Garlic Every Day and this will happen to your body. Now back to the best invulnerability boosting food sources during COVID-19. Almonds. The nutrient E in almonds will assist the ward with often colds and influenza and is vital to your resistant framework murmuring along. It's a fat solvent atom, which means it requires the presence of fat to be ingested. A half-cup serving, or 46 entire, shelled almonds, gives right around 100% of your RDA of nutrient E. They are extraordinary for you, however they don't accompany a free pass since 1/4 cup serving has 162 calories. So they accompany a weighted cost in calories. Toss them into smoothies all things considered. Kiwi. Kiwi contains nutrient C, nutrient K, potassium, and folate in wealth. Nutrient C is a powerful cell reinforcement that assists battle with liberating revolutionaries and forestall cell harm. It additionally helps in boosting the creation of white platelets that battle diseases. You can eat kiwi consistently. The organic product contains minuscule seeds that are palatable and brimming with supplements also. You can essentially eat it single-handedly, put it in a natural product serving of mixed greens, or make a smoothie out of it. The choices are unending. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are loaded with supplements and minerals, including nutrient E, nutrient B6, magnesium, and phosphorus. Nutrient E is viewed as a powerful cancer prevention agent that is valuable for the safe framework's well-being. Best of all, it likewise improves the kind of food you are getting ready for, because of its hot punch. You can add sunflower seeds to your plates of mixed greens, soups and preparing of specific food sources like chicken, for sautéing. Citrus fruits. Citrus organic products like lemons, oranges, limes, grapefruit, and tangerines, among others, are loaded with nutrient C that helps in boosting the creation of white platelets in the body. White platelets are fundamental in battling sicknesses and contaminations. It likewise helps in eliminating free extremists from the body, forestalling cell harm, which at last decreases your odds of malignancy. Poultry, when you're wiped out and you go after the chicken soup, it's something other than a self-influenced consequence that causes you to feel good. The soup may help lower aggravation, which could improve the manifestations of a virus. Poultry, like chicken and turkey, is high in nutrient B6. Around 3 ounces of light turkey or chicken meat contains almost 33% of your day-by-day suggested measure of B6. Nutrient B6 is a significant part of a large number of the substance responses that occur in the body. It's additionally imperative to the arrangement of new and solid red platelets. Stock or stock made by bubbling chicken bones contains gelatin, and different supplements supportive for gut recuperating and insusceptibility. While eating the secret sauce can support your resistance, you don't need to depend simply on nourishments for a more grounded and susceptible framework. There are numerous alternative approaches to build your body's ability for battling infections. You can become acquainted with a greater amount of what we are discussing by leaning around 6 easy home remedies for a stronger immune system, discovering the 7 ways to naturally boost your immune system. These 2 recordings will most likely assist you in improving your resistance and stay protected during coronavirus times. Likewise, remember to like and buy into our channel. How might you rate your insusceptible framework? Do you become ill without any problem? Tell us in the remarks segment underneath.